took off to face the enemy, but visibility was far too low for Sekon to follow. Sekon took off 20 seconds later and he was just in time. Two bombs exploded on the runway right behind him and the enemy fighter jets was straight overhead. Sekon spotted the target and began firing. The Pakistani pilots had dropped the bomb and flown right back up. "I'm following the two sabres," Sekon spoke into the microphone, but Guman was nowhere in sight. The two pilots had lost communication with each other, and meanwhile the sabres sped up. Sekon swiftly maneuvered his craft to stay on their tail and began firing. Then, one of the sabres dropped its external fuel tanks, and this made the aircraft lighter and faster, helping it to make a quicker escape. One of the sabres got away, but Sekon was already busy tailing the other. Visibility was poor, and that made it impossible for anyone to spot Sekon from the base. No help could be sent, and Sekon was now all by himself. "I'm in the circle of J with two sabres. I'm getting behind one, but the other is getting on edge on me," he spoke into the microphone. Sandwiched between two enemy fighter jets, Sekon kept flying, chasing and being chased. He had successfully managed to drag the two sabres away from the base. Soon the firing from the back began. The sabres chasing Sekon was out of ammunition. Soon the firing from behind him stopped. Guessing this, Sekon muttered, "This is my chance," and dropped his fuel tanks. With an extra burst of speed, Sekon charged at the aircraft in front of him. But little did he know that Pakistani had a trick up in sleeves. You see, Pakistanis have deployed not only 4 but 6 sabres to attack Srinagar. The two other sabres were circling high up, waiting for the moment they needed. Suddenly, the two hidden jets moved down and began firing at Sekon. One of the bullets found its mark. Sekon's craft had been hit. He tried to contact the base, but the aircraft control system had failed. Sekon was losing the altitude, and he had only one option left. That day, Flight Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sekon single-handedly defended the Srinagar airbase against enemy. For his selfless act of bravery, he was awarded the Param Veer Chakra posthumously, making him the only Air Force officer to receive this ultimate honor.
के तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था, ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे।